This video will explain what dynamic data masking is, dynamic data masking types, its advantages and use cases. Let's get started. Dynamic data masking, DDMs, is the masking of data where the decision on whether to mask the data in question is determined at the time of the data access request. It is based on attribute values of the user requesting access, the data itself, and the environment or context in which the request is being made. Put more simply, it hides certain parts of data when someone asks to see it. Whether the data is hidden or not depends on who is asking for it, what the data is, the situation in which the request is made. The two most common data masking types are static and dynamic. Dynamic data masking allows data to stream directly from the original location to different systems without having to store a copy in a secondary environment. Static data masking creates sanitized copies of existing databases, removing any identifying information. The copies contain altered data that can be safely shared without risking a privacy breach. It's typically used for data that doesn't frequently change or remain static over time. Minimizing sensitive data exposure by masking it to unauthorized users, enabling companies to specify how much data they want to reveal or restrict access to. Concealing sensitive data in query results without changing the data in the database. Applying masking rules that simplify DDM integration into existing applications. Using random masking functions to provide partial and full masking options to protect numeric data. Enforcing data privacy standards to maintain compliance. Providing application transparency with masking applied based on user privilege, ensuring agility by masking data on the fly while keeping underlying data intact in the database. Example of dynamic data masking use cases. Information technology companies can use DDM in SQL Server environments to enhance database security by masking sensitive information in real time. For instance, a masking rule can be created to partially hide social security or credit card numbers in query results, ensuring only authorized users view the full data. Thank you for watching. For more information and to learn about data masking best practices, visit www.velotix.ai.